Alright guys, it's time to talk about WEEX Exchange on the channel, and I also want to talk about their token in a little bit, guys. Now, I just want to say that they have reached out to me to become an affiliate, although I am not an official affiliate yet, guys. But just taking a look at their website, I really like what I see here, guys. I just want to, show you a token that might become possibly the next BGB, for example, like BitGet has. Now, I don't know, too much about this website. I did scroll through it just a bit, guys, and I did see that if you do hold their token, you can actually get some airdrops. Now, I don't know where to find that right now. You can actually go to their website and look for that. But let's take a look at this, guys. Now, they have a total assets, of about $216 million. Their spot trading volume is about 2.45 billion. So that is actually a quite large exchange, guys. Now, if you take a look at the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, okay, Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, that's the top three. But it's not that far down the list, guys. It's number 28, actually, here on the list. And, guys, I use exchanges like CoinW. That's number 30. I also use, for example, let's go down a little bit more. I use Bitrue and CoinX. I have used Femex before. So there are some, lower exchanges that I even use, guys. And yeah, I can say that this is the number 28 exchange. It's got, a liquidity that's pretty high. It also has a lot of weekly visits, so it has a lot of traffic here, and a lot of coins. I mean, this is, almost 1,000 coins here, and everything on this list that you can see right now. Okay, now xt.com. I don't like xt.com, guys. I'll go ahead and say that. They stole my Casper, but they do have more coins here. But there's not many that have more coins. Bitmart, okay, I do have registration with Bitmart. I do have an affiliate, membership here with BingX, we can say. I'm an affiliate of them. But yeah, guys, I mean, there's not many that have so many coins. Mexi and Gate, yeah, they have really, really a lot. I do have both of these, and I am a Mexi affiliate as well. And anyways, guys, I don't want to talk about the other affiliates, but the WEEX token, guys, right now it's sitting at 3 cents. Now here you have a max supply of about 10 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is not that much. Now, what I have found on the website here, if we go to this real quick, is that there is a circulating supply of 3.9 billion. Now, total supply right now is 6 billion, and like it says here, there's 10 billion of this, token created. So be careful. There is another WXT, by the way. If you do search, be sure you're looking for the right one with this, little symbol or mark or stamp or whatever you want to call it, guys. Because yeah, I think the other one has like a couple of decimals. It's like 0.002 or something like this. But it's not 3 cents. Now, anyways, I want to actually jump into the, Twitter here, or X as we call it. Now, they do look like they have, a lot of followers, and they're pretty active. 4 hours ago, they just posted here. 5 hours ago, this. So it's a pretty active Twitter, and probably more active than a lot of exchanges that we actually, look at. And yeah, here is the Etherscan, guys. It has a market cap of 307 million. So that actually is, quite large. And I was looking at this with other exchange tokens, and I can show you that in a second, guys. But this is going to be one of the, bigger exchange tokens. Now, like I said, the top exchange-based tokens, coins by market cap here. If we go down the list, okay, BNB is huge, guys. Leo token, which is a total scam. Do not trust this. We have BitGet token, which I have as well. There's Whitebit. We got Uniswap, Kronos. Let's see. Let's go down to 303. Now, I don't know why it's not listed here. It's kind of strange. But it's a fairly new exchange coin, too. It's from August 5th, which is kind of funny because we had that crash on August 5th. With Bitcoin, guys, everything fell down so hard on August 5th. But, if it were on this list, it should be right here, guys. So there's only about, 13, maybe 14 exchange coins basically that are above this. Now, if we take a look at the chart here on August 5th, like I said, this is when it started, probably the worst day it could have started, but it hasn't been lower since this time, guys, and it pretty much rose very slowly for about 4 or 5 months here, and then it got some massive surge here. I'm not sure why, I didn't really check that out, but then it kind of dipped and made this little cup, and now we're getting this handle, guys. So we are dipping down a little bit more than probably we really want, but it's within range, I would say. It's not, you know, like down here. I would say if it came down here, it'd probably invalidate this cup and handle, but it's within range, guys. Now, we just need it to really break about 3.3 cents here, and the target is up here at about 4.3 cents, guys. So let's see if it can get, you know, a surge in the coming days. We don't want to see it sink down under like 2.9 cents and definitely hit this 2.8, because then it would kind of invalidate that. But yeah, so far it does kind of look like a cup and handle. We do see this pattern quite often where we have a surge, dip, then we do something like this, and then break. So, you know, in my opinion, this looks pretty good. I might throw in an order here at 2.9 cents just to see if it gets hit, and I might even throw it in at 2.8 because this is actually very strong support. They may not get filled. I actually, you know, because of the pattern, I don't want it to get filled because that would kind of invalidate the cup and handle unless it was a very quick wick. So that's what I would try to catch. But we'll see. I have not bought this token yet, guys, but I am really, truly thinking about putting some money in this. So I probably would grab something about, you know, 30, 40, 50 bucks worth and see if this does anything like BGB. Now, taking a look at one more thing here, guys, we're looking at this volume in this, you know, visible range here, and you can see that we are right here right now, and it is dipping, you know, into this little candlestick, these lower candlesticks, so it could go down a little bit faster than it goes up. So I am a little bit worried that will come down to 2.8 cents because there's not much holding it up until we get to about, you know, these three little candlesticks here, guys. So let's see, because we did kind of lose this as support here. And yeah, you can see there's a very big candlestick right here in comparison to anywhere else pretty much on this chart. Even if I zoom out, guys, and I show you from the complete history, down here, almost nobody bought it, and that's kind of strange because you would expect more volume down here than anything, but you actually have the most volume up here at about 3.2 cents. So, you know, let's see, guys. I do think it will, you know, get back up above these candlesticks, of course, but just it's a matter of when. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you about WEEX Exchange and the WXT token, guys. If you like it, like I said, check out this website. There's a lot of things to check out here. And like I said, I do think I saw that, you know, if you hold this token, you can get airdrops and things. So I'm not sure how good the airdrops will be, but that's kind of what I really want to test as well. So I'm probably going to buy some of this. But like I said, I haven't bought this yet, guys. And, you know, I'll let you know when I do. So anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this with your friends, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.